Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many of us have faced at some point. Imagine this. You're working on your computer, trying to get a project done, and suddenly, it freezes out of nowhere. You panic for a moment, hoping you didn't lose all your progress. Yep, you guessed it, the infamous frozen screen problem strikes again. Don't worry, we've got a solution for you. In this situation, the solution to your frozen screen problem lies in performing a hard reset. To do this, simply press and hold the power button on your computer until it shuts down completely. Once it's off, wait a few seconds, then press the power button again to turn it back on. This simple trick can often unfreeze your screen and get you back to work without losing any of your important data. See, problem solved. Remember, when dealing with a frozen screen, it's essential to remain calm and not panic. By following the steps we just talked about, you can quickly resolve the issue and get back to your tasks with minimal stress. So, next time your computer decides to freeze on you, you'll know exactly what to do. And there you have it, folks. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, and drop us a comment below with your own tech support horror stories. Until next time, stay cool and keep tech savvy.